This is Tranter from 4x4offroads.com. In this video I'm going to show you how I replaced the broken Dana 44 locking hubs with some, well, refurbished ones. Well, I'm starting with these worn hubs, loosening up the screws to get the cap off. Only 6 screws that are that you lose by a hex key or Allen wrench. And after the 6 screws are loose, you can snap the cap off. Then the inner mechanism is seen, and there's there are 2 snap rings, and there's the inner snap ring on the axle that you get off with a small screwdriver, and the outer one you should also be able to use the same screwdriver, or maybe another also to assist you, but yeah, it's a little bit more tricky, but you'll get it. Then the unit is basically loose, and you can use 2 screws to get a handle on it, so you can it's easier to pull it out. Just screw the screws slightly into the holes and pull it out. Well, these units are getting pretty tired. And now the unit, the mechanism is clear, and I'm using a little bit different locking hub units. The original Ford Bronco that I chose to use, found some refurbished ones on eBay. And you start with this big spring, and there's this outer ring that falls into the grooves on the outside, and it has got a castle that fits with the unit that sits on the axle itself, locking them together when they're close together. You may have to turn the axle a little bit just to make sure the castles lock together. Then you have a controlling ring with the 2 ears that when pushed in open or freeing the locking hub. Outside of that is the ring with holes for the screws and locking it into place. In this case it's a little bit tight fitting, so I have to use a hammer very gently to get it into place. This ring must get inside within the groove on the outside of the hub, and I'm using a screwdriver and hammer to get it into place, gently, of course. There's this the snap ring again. You must remember to put it into place and make sure it sits tightly in the groove. And the smaller axle snap ring must also fit into its groove. Now I'm making a mark for the screw of the cap to fit into the correct place, and inside the cap is also, you see it. You must have it in a free position, so it pushes the controlling ears inside, so it's open and fitting the screw in the right place. And then you can, well, fasten it again with the hex key or the Allen wrench. Make sure it sits tightly in the correct place, and the screws are fastened. And then you have then you can test out if the locking hub works. Should do it. thanks for watching, and hope you like it. If you do, please share it with your friends and comment if you like to see more of this, and join us at 4x4offroads.com.